In this tutorial I'll show you how to update Google Play Store on any Android device. First of all, open Play Store on any Android phone. If you think your Google Play Store is lacking update, what you have to do is tap on Profile icon on top right. Select Settings. Select this drop-down menu which says About. Now over here at the bottom you will find this option which is Play Store version. And if you have an update available, it will ask you to actually update Play Store. To check if you have updates, you have to simply tap on this button which is Update Play Store. In my case I have the latest version. If you have an update available, it is going to install it automatically. This is how you can update Google Play Store on any Android phone.